Are you tired of your WordPress website struggling to rank on search engines? Do you want to skyrocket your WordPress website's search engine rankings? Look no further. Search engine optimization is a powerful tool that can help businesses grow by increasing visibility online. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for any business looking to attract new customers and stay competitive. SEO optimizes a website to rank higher in search engine results, making it more likely that people will find and visit the site. Appearance on the first page of search results can also increase brand awareness for any business, as people are more likely to click on the top results, and therefore more likely to be exposed to the business's brand. One of the best benefits of SEO is that it can help increase traffic to a website. By optimizing a site for search engines, businesses can reach a wider audience and attract more potential customers, which leads to more sales and revenue. In just a few minutes, we'll show you the most important SEO steps you need to take to boost your website's search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. Step 1. Make sure your website is properly set up for SEO. This includes configuring your website's permalinks, creating a sitemap, and installing an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO. Step 2. Optimize your website's content for SEO. This includes using keywords in your page titles, meta descriptions, and throughout your website's content. It also includes optimizing your images and videos with relevant keywords and alt tags. Step 3. Backlinks are also a crucial factor in SEO. Make sure to analyze your website's backlinks and remove any that are low quality or from spammy websites. Build high-quality backlinks from reputable websites to boost your website's authority. Step 4. Track your website's progress with analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website's traffic and see which pages are performing well. Use this data to make informed decisions on which pages to optimize and how to improve your website's overall performance. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to boosting your website's search engine rankings and driving more traffic to your site. Remember to regularly update and optimize your website to maintain your search engine rankings. If you feel this adds to your knowledge, please like this video and share it with your friends who might need this. Let me know in the comments below if you need a detailed step-by-step tutorial on SEO for WordPress website explaining the above steps. Please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on digital marketing, web design, and graphic design.